Have you ever tried to explain your job in English and got stuck at, I work in computer stuff? You're not alone. Many learners know the word job, but freeze when they need to say what they actually do. Today, we'll fix that with everyday occupation words that you can use with confidence. Let's upgrade your vocabulary and stop saying, I do things forever. Occupation vocabulary is everywhere. Job interviews, small talk, travel forms, even dating apps. It's one of the first things people ask. What do you do? So, today we're going beyond doctor, teacher, and engineer. You'll learn real, useful job titles that sound natural and are easy to remember. Let's get into it. Software developer. Someone who builds apps, websites, or software. Example, I work as a software developer for a tech company. Example, my brother is a developer. He builds video games. Common mistake, saying, I am informatic. Say instead, I work in IT, or I'm a software developer. Nurse, a person who helps care for sick people, usually in a hospital. Example, she's a nurse at the city hospital. Nurses work long hours but do amazing work. Common mistake, saying she's medicine. Correct way, she's a nurse. Electrician. Someone who installs or fixes electrical systems. Example, we called an electrician to fix the lights. My cousin is an electrician. He loves it. Common mistake, saying electrical man. Correct word, electrician. Cashier. Someone who takes payments in a store. Example, I worked as a cashier during college. The cashier gave me the wrong change. Common mistake, saying money person or bank worker in stores. Say cashier. Plumber. Someone who fixes water pipes and toilets. Example, we need a plumber. The sink is leaking. My uncle is a plumber. He has his own business. Common mistake, saying pipe fixer. Say plumber. Receptionist. Greets people and answers phones at an office or hotel. Example, the receptionist was super friendly. Example, I used to be a receptionist in a law firm. Common mistake, saying answerer or office woman. Correct term, receptionist. Graphic designer. Creates visual content like logos, ads, and websites. Example, I'm a freelance graphic designer. She designed our wedding invitations. Common mistake, saying painter or art worker. Say graphic designer. Waiter or waitress. Serves food and drinks at a restaurant. Example, he's a waiter at an Italian restaurant. Waitresses work really hard during weekends. Common mistake, saying food person or a restaurant guy. Use waiter or waitress. driver. Drives a vehicle as a job, bus, taxi, truck, and so on. Example: my dad is a truck driver. She works as a school bus driver. Common mistake: saying he is drive or he's car. Say he's a driver. Mechanic. Repairs cars or machines. Example: the mechanic fixed my car in 1 hour. My friend is learning to be a mechanic. Common mistake: saying car doctor. Correct term: mechanic. Teacher. Educates students in school, college, or courses. Example: I'm an English teacher. He teaches math at a public school. Common mistake: saying he is teaching. That's a verb. Use the noun, he's a teacher. Journalist. Writes or reports the news. Example: she's a journalist for a major newspaper. Journalists ask a lot of questions. Common mistake: saying newsman or TV guy. Say journalist. Photographer. Takes professional photos. Example: I hired a photographer for my wedding. He's a nature photographer. Common mistake: saying he makes photos. Say he takes photos. Accountant. Manages money and financial records. Example: my sister is an accountant at a big firm. We need an accountant for our small business. Common mistake: saying he's math. Say he's an accountant. Chef. A professional cook, especially in a restaurant. Example: she's a chef at a 5-star hotel. He studied to be a chef in Italy. Common mistake: confusing chef with chief. Chef means cook. Engineer. Designs and builds machines, structures, or systems. Example: my cousin is a civil engineer. Engineers solve problems in creative ways. Common mistake: saying engineer. Correct spelling and pronunciation: engineer. Salesperson. Sells products to customers. Example: I'm a salesperson at a clothing store. Salespeople need good communication skills. Common mistake: saying seller. More natural: salesperson or sales rep. Translator. Converts text or speech from one language to another. Example: I work as a translator for international clients. He's a Spanish-English translator. Common mistake. Confusing with interpreter. Translator is for written language. Interpreter is for spoken language. Now it's challenge time. Which of these people is a plumber? A. Fixes wires. B. Cooks in a restaurant. C. Repairs water pipes. Type your answer in the comments. And tell us, what do you do in English? I'll be reading the replies. If you learned something new today, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart, clear, and fun English lessons. See you there.